So can we just like grab the flag and throw it the guy alive? Oh. Him and Brian meeting thing.
Hey, I need a rotor.
Are you guys here to make fun of me?
Look, they came just in time.
Yeah, no shit, huh? Yeah. Huh?
You guys read the instructions? It's a 3-man on 3-man flag push. 10 points for pulling the flag off the center, 10 points for hanging on the opposition start line, and 2 points for every kill.
Okay.
So a maximum of 26 points. That's how it's going to work.
Is that good?
Yeah, the winner of this gets a bye.
Okay.
And then, so you'll play the next. I know this is like a speedball, but we're playing it scenario style, so it's, be honest. If you need a paint check on yourself, I will be glad to do it. All right.
Ready. Move up, go ahead, I got you. Go ahead, move up. Where's the one on the right? Go for it.